Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Welcome back. Today's crash course is the Holiday Inn Vancouver Airport, Richmond. Here's a look at the lobby area. You can see they have a nice little area up here to grab a snack next to the front desk. Let's take a look at the room. When you first start, you can see that we have right here to the side, you've got your ironing and your ironing board, as well as a small closet area, as well as the safe. Continuing on, they have a microwave, which is definitely a nice amenity to have in a hotel room nowadays, as well as the coffee machine. Mini fridge, clean, like that. Spacious room, plenty of room to walk around. You have the little mini couch in the corner there. Has a little tiny table, which is good for grabbing something to eat and throwing it on your little table. It's like a built-in TV tray, I guess. Here's a look from the couch. You have a little work area next to the TV up here. Decent chair. I think that's the difference maker for me. You can see they have the little reading lights next to the bed. That's always nice. Decent sized bathroom with plenty of counter space. Look at the toilet and the shower here. / tub. Plenty of room to get around in here. Decent sized bathroom.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review.
This hotel does have an ice machine located on each floor, something you don't always see nowadays. They have a laundry room that's basically same area as you're going to find the gym. You can see they have a little table there. Pretty cramped and only one washer, one dryer. But if you needed to make use of it, I'm pretty sure you'd be thankful it's there. Basically a laundry room for real, very small room. Here's a look at the gym area. A few machines. Take a look here in the corner. They do have some free weights in there. Some mats if you need to do any exercises on the floor there. Now, we're taking a quick walk over to the restaurant, and in the hallway there, they do have an ATM. I always like to point those out. It's nice to be able to get money safely and not have to worry about anything. This restaurant does serve lunch and dinner, and it is where you'll come for breakfast in the morning. They offer a variety of craft beers there, so If that's your thing, something to try. In terms of breakfast, we can take a look and see what the offerings are. You see different breads and bagels, jellies and jams. And you do have some hot food. We'll take a look here. Try to edit out me grabbing food from my plate. Got some good scrambled eggs, bacon and a sausage. Gotta get your baked beans. They do have French toast. That was pretty good. All kinds of things to throw on your eggs. You got cereal and fruits. And you're off.
Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.